Hello everyone. So today we present you with our weekly technical insight on WaterGem Connect Edition. And today I'm going to cover like how we are going to integrate our existing data within the WaterGem Connect Edition. So before proceeding further, I would like to give a brief introduction about Capricorn technology. Capricorn is a India leading design and construction management technology solution provider for architecture, engineering, and construction. We are like one of Autodesk's largest platinum partner and Bentley largest platinum partner with authorized training center. So we have more than 300 dedicated team members, and Capricorn actually serve over 20,000 clients in the AEC and related industries. Capricorn has contributed significantly to the country adoption of computer-aided design for more than 3 decades. And we offer the best solution, approaches, and practices to increase your productivity and lower project risk. And we are also delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with our best of our abilities. So Capricorn Tech is now a part of a Arcans group. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pranjal Verma, solution specialist for water and wastewater, working at Capricorn New Delhi. Will present you with our weekly technical insights. So in today insight, we are like going to cover the model builder tool within the WaterGem. We have this special tool by which we can integrate our existing hydraulic data, whatever the data you are having with you, we can integrate it within the WaterGem. And once we integrate it, we can review it whether the data that we wanted to integrate is being successfully integrated or not by just reviewing the result. So let's just switch to the software and like showcase how it could be done. Okay. So let's suppose you are having some existing data for water distribution network and you wanted to integrate within this software. So for that, within the tool option, we have a model builder concept here. So within the model builder, once we go for the new model builder option, so here we have first thing that we have to do is we have to select the data source type. So whatever the data you are having, either you are having the data in the format of Excel file or a CAD file or shape file, we can select that as a data source. So let's suppose I'm having the data in the form of shape file. Then you have to browse to that location wherever you have saved your file. You have to just locate to that location, and I'm just going to select all of the hydraulic element data and just clicking the next option. Then you can see within the model builder wizard, we have present all of the hydraulic element like junction we have pipe, we have pumps and reservoir. And if you wanted to see the preview, what are the data are being there within this. So in case of junction, we have the like labels for pipe, we have diameter already and also having the C value and material as well. Similarly for pump and reservoir. So it is very important for you, like what are the data you wanted to integrate with the water jet, you must be having that data before. After clicking the next option, you want to specify the unit. So whatever the unit according to your best knowledge, you can specify the unit. Then within the next dialog box, nothing changes is required within this. You have to just click next option. Now at the last, what we have to do is we have to actually assign the property. So whatever the data we have just seen before, like in case of junction, we have the label, and in case of pipe, we have the diameter or Hazen-Williams C value or material. Actually, for this we have to match the property. So let's suppose I'm going to select the junction. So obviously table type would be my as in junction and key field as this data is came from GIS. So I'm going to select as in GIS ID. Then in case of junction, we have only label option. So I'm just going to the property option and search for the label. Once we search for the label, we have to just assign it simply. Now, in case of pipe, we have seen like we have the D value we have seen. So D generally represent the diameter. So we are going to the property and we are going to find out the where is my diameter and we have to match the property. Similarly for the C value, we have to go for the Hazen-Williams C value. Then for the label, we are going to obviously we also have to assign the property for the label as well. Then we will search for the label. And next for the pipe, we have the material. So we will go and search for the material. So here we can see the material option is also there. Now, do remember you have to select the key field as in GIS ID. So whatever the data you are having, you have to select that properly. Then and only your model will be successfully integrated. If I talk about the pump, in case of pump, what we have, so we are going to table type and select the pump as an option. Key field would be an GIS ID. And in case of pump, we have the elevation. So we'll go to the property tab and we are going to like search for the elevation. So here we have the elevation. So I'm just going to select an elevation and similarly as an label. Then second last we have the reservoir. So my table type would be as an reservoir. Key field would be as an GIS ID, same. And in case of elevation, we are going to select the elevation here. So here is my elevation, and for label, we are going to select the label. And lastly, we have tank also within our distribution network. So my table type would be as a tank. Key field is as generally being from GIS ID. Now within the field property, we have diameter. So within the property, we are going to search for the diameter first. So here is the diameter. Then this is an base elevation. So we are going to search for the elevation base. So here you can see elevation base is there. And lastly, the level. So once you do it, you can actually, review the result and you can review the data like it has been successfully matched or not. You can see for the junction or pipe or pump. So after doing that, once you click the next option, after clicking the next option, here it will come. Would you like to build the model? Yes, of course. Once you do the finish and synchronize your model, it will give you the model builder summary. So here you can see like whatever the junction that we wanted to integrate it, 106 junctions have been integrated. Similarly, pipes, pump, and reservoir, all of the hydraulic element has been integrated successfully. Just going to close the dialog box for the model builder, and once I synchronize the model, so I'm just going to zoom X, and here you can see my model has been integrated successfully. So as this is a GI style, you can go and set to the GIS style. So here you can see with the label also, we can see after matching the property successfully, we have integrated our model. So this is how you can actually integrate your model. So whatever the data you are having, if you are having the data in the form of CSV file or CAD file, you can integrate it easily. There shouldn't be a challenge for you. So I hope you guys had an insightful session. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the updates. We would be delighted to hear from you. So do reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. So see you next week with the next insight. Thank you.